I established this institution, Darul Quran Madrasa, in 2018. Our philosophy was to support the youth to memorize the Noble Quran, and also with this Darul Quran Madrasa, I realized that we can empower more students from a lot of provinces. As we have now, we have 70 students, all from different provinces. So not only that, we also initiated the bursary scheme where we support our students to go to high school. We pay them the school fees, and some of them they will be completing the high school this year. And also we have other initiative where we support our communities